Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the Power BI Pro Tips by Tejas. In the today's video, let us go ahead and see how to generate a dynamic date table in a Power BI report by using the M code. So in order to do that, let us go to transform data. And our first step is to go to the blank query from new source. So let us click on new source and then click on blank query. Having done with that, let us go to the first main function that would generate our dates, that is equal to hash date and specify our initial year, that would be 2018 from my dataset. And then I would like to go ahead with Jan, that would be a first month, that is 1, comma, the first day of month, that would be 1 once again. So once we write this formula, make sure that you click on enter first and then click on fx over here. And we find that the moment we click on fx, we get source. The source is a component that basically consists of dates that would roll up the dates dynamically for our future months. Okay, once we get source, let us write our main formula, that is list dot dates, and then let us open the braces here where we could have source as our first parameter, and then let us click on comma, okay, and over here as a second parameter, let us go ahead and type number dot from, and then date time dot date time dot local now. Over here, okay, and then let us open the braces and then hyphen or minus, the third value is number dot from source within the value. Having done with that, let us write our third parameter, that would be the last parameter, comma, hash duration, and then 1, comma, 0, 0, and 0. And let us click on enter. That's it. Now let us understand the formula in order to know the inner context of it. So basically we have taken the list of dates from the source through which we get the dynamic dates. Alright, over here we have something called as datetime.localNow. The localNow function returns us the current time and date with respect to the location where we are present. Then we have number.from and source. Source consists of the date that would be the initial date present in the data set. So basically number.from datetime.localNow minus number.from source data basically returns us the difference between the current data set date and the date and time and location in which we are present. Got it? And under duration we have 1 and 3 zeros. 1 specifies us the 24 hours, which is specified as 1 day, and 0 specifies us with respect to the hours, the minutes, and then the seconds. So each and every attribute over here is very, very important. Make sure that you don't make any sort of mistakes, else we won't be getting any sort of list over here. So once we get the list of dates, let us go ahead and collapse this window And over here, let us select the dates or the list of the dates, and let us convert this to table. From the option here to table, let us go ahead and click on to table. The moment we get this pop-up, make sure that you click on OK. Okay. And over here, let us go ahead and change the data type as date. And let us rename column 1 as date. And from date, let us go ahead and generate some of the very important columns present in a standard date table. The moment you click on this column, go to add column over here in the menu bar, and then go to date. Let me take the quarter of the year as the first column. Let me select date again. Now let us take another column that would be the start of the month. Okay. Now let us go to date again and then go to date, and from here let us take month. That would be a month number. Okay. Now let us go ahead and select date once again. Let us go to date. Now let us go to the week option. Let me go ahead and take the start of the week. Now let us go towards the left and select date once again and select week of the year. Having selected all the important columns, let us take year component as well. Okay, so this is basically the standard procedure of creating a dynamic date table. That's it. Make sure that you go ahead and practice this, guys. That's it for the today's video. Let us connect in the next video with another fascinating concept. Till then, happy analyzing and take care, guys. Make sure that you subscribe so that you do not miss me out in the upcoming video. Till then, take care.